passion, more thrill, more machismo. Welcome to season 12. Ladies and gentlemen, the first raid of season 12.
And Bharat Hooda has just seemed to have gained a bit of strength this season. Early days yet, Paddy, but those seem to be the indications.
Yeah, moves left, moves right, can raid from both left and right. Here comes Arjun Deswal, the raid machine. He's the right raider, enters from the right side, tries the bonus. He may just have achieved it with minimum amount of fuss.
He has. Arjun Deswal does have the bonus. Now the bonus, you see the black line where he put his foot behind the black line and the trailing foot was in the air. That's how Raider scores a bonus. This is as much a game between these two as between the two teams.
Pawan Sherawat needs no introduction. MVP season 6, best raider 7 and 8. Toe touch, jumping, running, hand touch. Lot of skills in one go from the man, which tells me, Brajesh, he looks to be... Up he goes! But out he goes! Oh, what a diving ankle hold! Will he make it? Does it?
Number 4.
He has absolutely given us a moment of stupendousness.
We're going to see a couple of new names made this season. Pawan Sherawat tried everything. Brilliant from Shubham Shinde there. Fantastic covering.
Your number 16. Number 16.
One cannon from the left, one cannon from the right,
Both
and
out of
together
bound.
that defense is a
Both out
dynamite.
of
Now
bound,
you
one
take a
point
look at
lead.
that. Pawan Sherawat, one defender could not tackle him. This is do or die. Dare to fly, dare to dream. Gives us a moment to scream. Well done, Bharat. Oh, you beauty.
Get a save.
Look, he's got at least 2 here, but he's also asking for the
Number
bonus.
5 and 4 out.
Solid ankle hold.
Raider out. 1 point.
Shubham
Telugu
Shinde
Titans.
is a beauty, isn't he? Raider will need charms of disguise. Keep an eye on the clock. 10 seconds and under. He inquires. Himanshu goes for it. Bharat has literally taken 2. He goes
Raider
through.
save.
This
2
is a
points, Telugu
big
Titans.
moment.
Look, what it's saying is
Number
this
9
was a
and 77
successful
out.
Ultratech do-or-die raid.
Oh. Tiny little errors. Oh, go solid. If it is Bharat one side, the defense is saying, we are
Raider
going to
out.
produce
All
total
out.
annihilation here. Yogesh has no answer.
Yogesh,
All out,
Kamesh,
1 plus 2, 3
Yogesh,
points.
Yogesh.
Telugu
And
Titans.
the unthinkable happens.
All in Tamil Talaiwas.
But even quietness is yelling as is. Jumps and picks 2.
And they have 2 points.
We need to... Pawan Sherawat gets point.
Bonus plus 1
100%
point.
he
Number
gets a
7
point.
out.
Uses the lobbies to great
Number
effect.
7.
Bonus plus 1.
That's right.
He is just getting warmed up.
There you go.
Well said. And Bharat Hooda, when you talk about his performance, off he goes, on his
Number 7
toes.
out. Raider save 1 point. Tamil Talaiwas.
Ladies and gentlemen, the raid machine Arjun Deswal. He has to come to you. Now he comes, now he goes. It is an all out.
Raider out. Bonus point.
Hands
Telugu Titans.
on.
All out. 1 plus 2, 3 points. Tamil Talaiwas.
Somebody, please tell me what is going on with
All
this
in Telugu
game.
Titans.
Now the thing here is Bharat Hooda doesn't have a chance of a bonus because there's just 5 on the man and they give him a match
Raider
point.
save. 1 point. Telugu Titans.
They might just win this by 1 man.
Now hold on. It is a 1 point lead. Pawan Sherawat has not crossed the box line. Pawan Sherawat does it.
Raider
Pawan
save.
Sherawat
1,
may have
2.
won it for Tamil Talaiwas.
Please.
And we've given it to you in spades.
3 points.
It is a
Tamil
mighty
Talaiwas.
super raid by the giant of Kabaddi. The high flyer arrives how? Ladies and gentlemen, Tamil Talaiwas will win this one. But there's one more winner, and that is the game of Kabaddi. We promised you thrill, we gave it to you. We promised you machismo, we gave it to you. What a passionate game of Kabaddi comes to an end. Tamil Talaiwas have won this one with a margin of 3 points.